implement and design and deploy server and Windows 8 or Windows 7 or any other feature. Here's the WDS server. If I expand the servers, this is all the servers that are listed. Expand this, okay? This is where you would create your install images, your boot images. You would actually go ahead and add special drivers for your network cards. You could pre-stage devices. And if you have pending devices, meaning you set a session to happen at 8 o'clock, and it's now 7, and you join them to the session, they're going to be in the pending devices that are pending to be imaged, or an image has to be deployed to them. This feature works great. It does require network drivers for certain devices, but usually majority of the time you can pick up a generic one that works with laptops, desktops, you name it. It will connect via network. Okay? So a lot of different features here with WDS, and I'm going to actually expand our install images. Click on the group we created, which is Netcom. Okay. You'll notice I can create a special image for a particular vendor. I have a special Microtech image for XP. I can even deploy Windows Server R2, Service Pack 1 as a clean CD install. Meaning it's like I walked up to the machine, I popped in the DVD, I went through the wizard, and now it's deployed. You can do that right over the network. I can pre-stage this. Or, like I said earlier, you can create a custom image based off the applications you have, based off of the ActiveX, based off of any special program your company uses, any particular software, and design your own custom image. Not only that, notice, what does the end say? Oh, it's misspelled.
Updates.
But it's updates. I have all Windows updates installed on this custom image, so that when I deploy a fresh CD install, I don't have to spend a day or two with Windows updates. So again, using custom images and using this technology, using Server 12 and its advanced features with WDS, you can actually deploy multiple images, custom images, pertaining to specific hardware in the room, or not hardware compliant, meaning I put it on anything. It would just be blank. You would have to install the drivers later, but it allows you to get the operating system with updates on a particular machine. So a lot happening, a lot changes. Question?
Just a curious question. Is that set up that you install the SP1 first and then the updates on top of it?
Question was asked, do we install the SP1 and then the updates after it? This is Server 08 with SP1 included, so it's not the separate install or upgrade. It's a Windows image with Service Pack 1. You download it and then you update it and then you capture it. Which means that I've installed Windows Server R2, Service Pack 1 on the machine. I sat there and went to Windows Updates, I let it update. Then with WDS, I captured it. It removes the drivers because I have to sysprep it, generalize it. I capture it. Now that new image is identical to the one above it. Only difference is it has Office and it has all updates. So I can deploy it and less time wasted on deploying and configuring the machine versus having it up and running. Here's the best part. If you have a virtual environment and your virtual environment, Hyper-V supports it, booting off of a network card, you can create virtuals. Here's a great example. Alex is working from home. Can't come in today. His laptop crashes, but he has his work laptop crashes, but he has his own personal laptop. I need to quickly provide him a computer that is added to my domain that he can actually log into with Active Directory authentication and get to any resources without doing so. I can quickly deploy a virtual machine. Within 15 to 20 minutes, he's up and running. I can send him how to remote in and VPN in, get to that virtual machine, and work from home. It's using all of their technology together to make this the best experience for you guys, the best experience for your users, and creating that learning culture that everyone's learning technology and using it more efficient. Not wasting time on saying, great, now I have to go to the sales floor, I'm at capacity, I don't have a computer, how do I give this person a computer? I need them to work. They want to work. They don't want to use a sick day, they want to work. So this allows me to quickly deploy and execute, depending on my infrastructure and the resources I have there, in conjunction with using Server 2012, the storage feature, just having a share, where I can share the virtual storage and create virtuals and attach them to a virtual machine, and then deploy an image from here. Again, like I said, there's third-party vendors out there. There's Norton, Ghost. You have all these other products that are used to deploy because they were easy. Popped in a disk, booted, let the letter, let the drive, and I walk away. Same mentality here. Nothing's changed. It's using more and one of their technologies and understanding it is the key. Understand the product, learning the product, understanding it fully lets you execute at super fast paces. So again, the whole experience Microsoft's trying to sell you is their technology integrated correctly in your infrastructure, trained on it, and learning it correctly allows you to execute with less headaches, less time, and lets you take advantage of technology today. Okay. Any questions so far? Is this making sense? You guys like, how many people like the new interface? Not that many. It'll grow on you. It'll grow on me. It'll grow on me. So,